The top 10 signs of a weak heart, enlarged heart, or heart failure. This quick video will address an extremely relevant topic that can save lives, thousands of lives, which is knowing the early signs and symptoms of heart failure. The sooner you notice the problem, the sooner you'll take action and precautions. Actions needed to minimize damage. Recognizing these signs early on can make all the difference in preventing complications. In this video, I'm going to list the top 10 signs that your heart is sending you to ask for help. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel to help out those people who do not have access to doctors, hospitals, health plans, to at least have access to this valuable information that indeed has the potential to save lives. What is heart failure? Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, everyone. This condition affects the heart. And what happens? The heart can no longer pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. This disease does not mean that the heart has stopped functioning, but rather that it is weakened and needs help. When should we suspect these heart failure? In an older patient, in a hypertensive patient, in a diabetic patient, an overweight patient, patients who do not have a good lifestyle, who do not eat well, they don't engage in physical activity, and the chance of this group of people developing this disease is very significant. The first symptom is a shortness of breath, which we call dyspnea. So, having difficulty breathing, especially during physical exertion or when lying down, the person who wakes up at night choking, which we call paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea, that person who needs to sleep with 4-5 pillows, she often needs to sleep sitting up because otherwise she wakes up at night. Drowning, practically. This happens because fluid accumulates in the lungs due to the heart's inability to pump blood properly. This is the first symptom. Second, fatigue and weakness. Extreme constant fatigue, even after small activities like taking a shower. Brushing your hair, it's a warning sign. And it happens because a weak heart can't send nutrient-rich and oxygenated blood to the muscles, which will become weak and tired. The third sign is swelling, edema, also in the legs, in the ankles, in the feet. It's very common that the heart isn't functioning well. So fluid retention is one of the first warning signs. The fourth warning sign is rapid weight gain. A sudden weight gain, which is usually caused by fluid accumulation, can also be indicative of heart failure, just like persistent cough or wheezing. A cough that doesn't improve, especially at night or when lying down, can also be caused by fluid accumulation in the lungs. Palpitations, irregular heartbeats. Feeling your heart pounding hard or irregularly or very fast can also indicate that the heart is in trouble. Just like lack of appetite or nausea, the swelling in the abdomen can cause discomfort, leading to a lack of appetite or a feeling of nausea. If you have trouble sleeping, or, as I mentioned, if you feel short of breath or discomfort when lying down, which makes you need to sleep sitting up or with the head elevated, this, as I said, is paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. That person who wakes up feeling like they're drowning in the middle of the night, and it's a classic sign of heart failure. Ninth, confused mind or difficulty concentrating. Why? Reducing blood flow to the brain will impair your cognitive ability. It will harm your brain activity. It makes thinking difficult, of course. And the 10th sign is pale or bluish skin. A lack of oxygen in the blood can cause paleness or a bluish tint in the lips and fingertips. Now, the most important part of the video. What do you need to do if you have these symptoms? If you identified one or more symptoms, don't ignore them. Seek medical attention immediately to assess the situation and start treatment. You will need to get tests done. Early diagnosis makes all the difference in preventing complications. So Fausto, who needed a heart transplant, had this problem, heart failure. Weak heart. Why? Look at Fausto. Do you think Fausto eats well? Does he exercise? Do you think Fausto is stressed? I'm absolutely sure. Okay. So don't let it happen, all right? It's also very important for you to prevent this disease. And how do we prevent heart failure or a weak heart? There's only one way. It's not any medication, it's not any test, it's not any supplement. It's a healthy lifestyle. It's about taking care of your body, your life, having a balanced diet, sleeping well, exercising, not drinking, not smoking, managing your stress. All of this is essential for you not to have heart failure. And if you already have it, it's mandatory that you have a healthy lifestyle. Doctor, I don't know what to do. Read my book, The Longevity Code, 101 Habits to Live Past 101 Years. Doctor, is this book only for people with a weak heart? No. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, if you have poor circulation, if you have erectile dysfunction, this book will help you a lot. Doctor, I don't have any disease. Do you want to prevent cancer, heart attacks, and strokes? I want to read the book, and here you will learn everything about how to prevent, treat, and reverse diseases naturally, without doctors, without tests, and without medications. If you read the book and follow what's in it, it's very likely that you'll need to stop taking your medications because you'll stop doing what causes your illness and start doing what treats it. And it has the potential to reverse the disease. Have you ever seen someone reverse diabetes with metformin? Gardening. Have you ever seen someone reverse high blood pressure with losartan, with enalapril? No, because the medication doesn't reverse it, it only controls the manifestation of the disease. What reverses the disease is stopping what causes it and starting to do what treats and reverses it. Okay? So, your diabetes, your high blood pressure, which is one of the main risk factors for heart failure, is not caused by a lack of medication. It's caused by what you eat, your sedentary lifestyle, your uncontrolled stress, and your poor quality sleep. That's what causes your illness. And in this book, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to, once again, prevent, treat, and reverse diseases naturally. There's a chapter on physical activity, one on nutrition, one on stress management, one on sleep, and one on alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. And several other chapters, which are also essential for your healthy lifestyle. Okay, everyone, share this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and give me a rating for this content. Here, from 0 to 10, what did you think? I count on your feedback. And don't go away, stay with me and watch this video here, where I talk about signs of liver disease, and this video here, where I talk about signs of kidney diseases. See you in a bit.